Hey guys, welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your ultimate destination for professional mobile unboxings and reviews. Today we are diving deep into the Xiaomi 18 series, the latest flagship from Xiaomi that promises top-of-the-line performance, stunning design, and an exceptional camera experience. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a premium smartphone, this video will cover everything you need to know about this device. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 18 series is a masterpiece of craftsmanship featuring a sleek glass back and polished metal frame, giving it a premium and sophisticated look. In hand, it feels lightweight yet solid, striking the perfect balance between elegance and durability. The edges are slightly curved, providing a comfortable grip while maintaining a refined aesthetic. On the back, you will notice the triple or quad camera module depending on the variant, arranged in a minimalist layout that emphasizes modern design. Subtle gradient finishes on the glass reflect light beautifully, making the phone visually appealing from every angle. Overall, the design emphasizes both style and ergonomics, ensuring that it looks impressive whether placed on a table or held in your hand. Moving to the display, the Xiaomi 18 series offers a large AMOLED panel with vibrant colors and deep blacks, ideal for streaming, gaming, and multimedia consumption. The high refresh rate makes scrolling and animations extremely smooth, while HDR10+ support delivers true-to-life brightness and contrast. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, providing resistance against scratches and minor impacts. With minimal bezels, the device provides an immersive viewing experience, whether you are watching movies, playing high-end games, or multitasking across multiple apps. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 18 series is powered by the latest flagship chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and substantial internal storage options. Apps launch instantly, multitasking is seamless, and heavy games run without lag. The GPU handles graphics-intensive tasks effortlessly, and advanced cooling technology ensures consistent performance even during extended gaming sessions. With 5G connectivity, the device is future-ready, offering lightning-fast internet speeds for downloads, streaming, and online gaming. Now, let's discuss the camera system, which is one of the most impressive features of the Xiaomi 18 series. The primary sensor captures incredible detail and vibrant colors even in low-light conditions, while ultra-wide and telephoto lenses provide versatile shooting options. AI enhancements allow for professional quality portraits, night shots, and macro photography.